Hello everyone, good morning. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm standing here. I would like to teach you about narrative text. Do you ever know what is narrative text? Okay, maybe some of you have know about what is narrative text, but some of you, if never hear about narrative text. Okay, here I would like to give you know about what is narrative text. Okay, the first is definition of narrative text. Narrative text is a type of a text that tells a chronological story in the past. So narrative text usually tells about the imaginative story or modified atau real story. So the aim of narrative text is to entertain the reader about through the amusing story. So narrative text has a generic structure. The first is orientation, the second is complication, the third is resolution, and the last is reorientation. So the first is orientation. Orientation is the opening of a narrative text. So usually this is introduce some character and then background. Okay, the first is orientation. So orientation is the opening of part of narrative text. This section usually tell about the introduction and then background of the story and the setting. And next is complication. So complication is this section is content about the problem that occur in the story. And then there are resolution. So resolution here is contain the completion or the end of the narrative text. And the last is reorientation. So the reorientation is same as maybe we can call about the conclusion or moral value. Okay, now I will give you example of the narrative text, maybe like fairy tales. Do you ever know about fairy tales? Maybe like Tinkerbell or what I think that you. And then horror, and then Malin Kundang. So if we tell about the Malin Kundang, that's we use the simple past or verb to the language feature of the narrative text. And then we can using the language feature of the narrative text. There are four. The first is we must using simple past and then adverb of time and then adjective and then the noun phrase. Okay, I think that's all for today. Sorry. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Goodbye everyone.